Okay, everybody, we're gonna do a test taste for Kathy over there. She brought this. So one biter. Oh. So right now we got Rem doing his DVET, Devin was helping him get some things out, and we got the rest of the team doing the DVET. We always do it every morning, and then after our shift. What are you doing right now?
He's like, you're nervous,
Okay, so it's day 41. I'm with my boy Smitty. This is the guy that we first started.
That's what happened.
Like the first day we started, I was the driver, he was my trainer. And then, yeah, but day 41, bro. You got anything to say?
Good luck.
All right, ladies and gentlemen, we're gonna do this one more time. Ren, how you doing, bro?
Doing good, bro. Doing nothing illegal right now. Driving with my license.
Okay. Yeah, you. Yeah. So it says I got 12 bags and 19 overflows. I'm gonna try to fit them all, but I doubt I can fit all of them. I'll do my best. And today I got Aiea. Yes, sir. Back to the roots where we all started. Bruh, rain or shine, Bobble team always on the move. Let's go. These views out here are awesome. Whew. Done with the rescue. It was good rescuing you, brother Nathaniel. Good to see you, brother Kai, on the road. And yeah, Team Baba heading back right now. Done for the night. Yes, sir. So happy. All right, ladies and gentlemen, we are done for the freaking day. And now we're about to go somewhere and celebrate. Let's go.